Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Agri Exam. In this video, we will discuss 50 important agricultural MCQs which will be useful for all the state agricultural exams. So let's start with the first question. The crop which is designated as the queen of cereals is. The correct answer is option number B, that is maize. So maize, it is widely known as the queen of cereals because it possesses the highest genetic yield potential among all the domestic cereal grains. Next question. The 17th nutrient which is added to the list of essential nutrient is. The correct answer is option number D, that is nickel. So nickel, it is classified as the 17th essential element which is required for the complete plant development, and this element, it was recognized as an essential plant nutrient in 1987 when the scientist named Brown has discovered its importance in the barley crop. Next question. The sunflower is an indicator plant for the deficiency of. The correct answer is option number C, that is boron. So sunflowers, they are highly sensitive to trace the nutrient availability, making them the standard indicator plants used to diagnose the boron deficiency in field. Let's move towards next question. So the rice, it is grown maximum in which season? The correct answer here comes option number first, that is monsoon. So rice, it is a tropical crop which is requiring the high temperature, heavy rainfall and the prolonged humidity. And the southwest monsoon naturally provides this flooded, waterlogged field conditions across most states in India, making it the peak production period. Let's move towards next question. The rice blast, it is caused by, and here the correct answer is option number D, that is Pyricularia oryzae. The rice blast, it is a highly destructive fungal disease, and the pathogen named Pyricularia oryzae attacks all above ground parts of the plant, providing the classic diamond shape spindle-like lessons on the leaves and causing the severe yield loss. Let's move towards next question. The agri-silviculture involves. The correct answer is option number C, that is crops and trees. Agri-silviculture, it is a specific land use management branch of agroforestry, and it involves the deliberate concurrent cultivation of agricultural crops and the forest trees on the same piece of land to maximize the ecological as well as the economic returns. Next question. In 1965, which famous rose breeder was appointed as the first Director General of ICR? Here the correct answer comes option A, that is BP Pal. So Dr. BP Pal was a world renowned agricultural scientist and rose breeder, and in the year 1965 he became the very first Director General of the newly reorganized Indian Council of Agricultural Research, introducing pivotal institutional framework that helped trigger the Green Revolution. Next question. So complex Corin ring system and cobalt, it is present in. The correct answer is option number D, that is vitamin B12, which is commonly known as cobalamin. Next question. ICR's National Bureau of Agriculturally Important Microorganisms is located at. The correct answer is option number C, that is Mau, which is in Uttar Pradesh. So ICR's, it is a premier national research repository which is tasked with gathering and preserving the microbial genetic wealth. Next question. So NAFED was established in the year of. The correct answer is option number B, that is 1958. The National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India was founded on the auspicious day of Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October 1958, and it was set up to promote the cooperative marketing of agricultural produce to benefit the grassroots farmers. Next question, that is rice variety grown in India belongs to. The correct answer is option number A, that is indica. So Three main geographical subvarieties of Oryza sativa are Indica, Japonica, and Javanica, and the Indica variety is grown throughout the tropical and subtropical regions of India. Let's move towards next question. The botanical name of Rajma. The correct answer is option number D, that is Phaseolus vulgaris. Universally, it is known as the kidney bean or common French bean. And next question, the optimum spacing for wheat is. The answer is 22.5 centimeter. For a timely sown, that is irrigated crop of wheat, the standard agronomic practices recommend maintaining a row to row field distance of 22.5 centimeter, and if the spacing is or if the sowing is delayed or done under late conditions, the spacing is generally narrowed down to 18 to 20 centimeter. Next question, the fiber of cotton it contains. The correct answer is option number C, that is cellulose. So the fiber of cotton contains cellulose, and a mature cotton fiber ball is almost entirely composed of cellulose, roughly 90% or more, giving the fiber its characteristic strength, durability, and high structural integrity. Let's move towards next question. The hulling percent of rice is, and here the correct answer is option number C, that is 65%. Next question. So sorghum, it is characterized as camel crop because of. Here the correct answer comes, that is resistance to drought. So sorghum, that is sorghum bicolor, earns this nickname due to its excellent drought resilience, and it possesses a deep, highly efficient root system, and it can also go dormant during extreme dry spells. Next question. The optimum temperature for tuberation in potato is. The correct answer is option number A, that is less than 20%. So the potato tuberation requires the cool soil conditions, and the ideal temperature range it is between 17 to 20 degrees Celsius, and tuber formation they stops completely if the temperature crosses 26 degree Celsius. Next question. The green ear disease of pearl millet it is caused by. The correct answer is option number B. Sclerospora graminicola is the correct answer in this case. Next question. The term monsoon it is derived from the word. The correct answer is option number C, that is Arabic word. So this term monsoon is derived from the Arabic word named Mausam. Next question. So Parbhani Kranti, it is a popular variety of. The correct answer is option number B, that is okra. So this variety of okra, it was developed in India, and it is famous for its resistance to the devastating yellow vein mosaic virus. Next question. Which of the following is not a biopesticide? Here Bioneem, Biolab, Diffil, these all are the biopesticides, whereas option number D comes under the categories of non-biopesticides. Next question. The black tip it is a physiological disorder of. Here the correct answer goes to option number A, that is mango. This disorder damages the fruit tissues at the tip, and it is caused by the toxic gases like sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. The yellow pigment in papaya is. The correct answer is option number A, that is caricazanthine is the correct answer. So here if for free study material you can visit our website, that is agriexam.com, and here in our website you can explore one-liners, daily quizzes, weekly quizzes, and all the information of jobs related to agriculture. And we are also having our app named as AgriExam. Here you can get or you can explore the test series regarding various agricultural exams. So for more and precise information of agriculture, please do subscribe our YouTube channel as well as install the AgriExam app and explore our agriexam.com website. Next question. Avocado is the richest source of. The correct answer is option number A, that is fat. This fruit is the richest source of fat. Next, ICMR's recommendation of vegetable per individual is, the correct answer is 300 gram per day per adult. So the Indian Council of Medical Research suggests 300 gram daily, and this should include 100 gram of leafy vegetables, 100 gram of roots or tubers, and 100 gram of other fresh vegetables. Next question. A rich source of digestible protein is, the correct answer is option number C, that is peas. So fresh green peas, they contain the high amount of easily digestible plant proteins, and they are also rich in essential amino acids, fiber and micronutrients. Next question. Trap crop to control diamond black moth in cabbage is, and here the answer comes, that is mustard. So mustard, it is planted alongside cabbage as a trap crop, and the destructive diamond black moth prefers feeding on the mustard leaves, and this safely keeps them off the main crop, that is the cabbage. Next question, that is 128. Which soil has the highest area in India? Here the correct answer is option number C, that is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil covers roughly 40% of India's total land area. It spans across the major Indo-Gangetic river plains, and it is highly fertile. Next question, 129. Who is known as the father of soil science? And of the answer is option number first, that is V.V. Dokechu. He is the father of soil science. Next question, 130. The browning of rice, it is caused because of the toxicity of, the correct answer is option number A, that is iron. So browning of rice, it is caused because of the toxicity of iron. Iron toxicity occurs in waterlogged, highly acidic soils, and excess iron causes dark brown spots on leaves, known as the browning or leaf bronzing. Next, 131st question. Which one is not a green manure plant? The correct answer is option number D, that is maize. Green manuring involves growing quick growing crops like legumes like dhencha, sun hemp or horse gram, and plowing them into the soil to improve the organic matter and nitrogen levels. And here maize, it is a heavy nutrient exhausting cereal crop, not a green manure crop. 132 question. The thermophilic microorganisms grow well at a temperature of, the correct answer is option number C, that is 50 to 60 degree Celsius. Next question. Which sector is the backbone of Indian economy? The correct answer is option number D, that is the agricultural sector. Even though the service sector contributes highly to India's GDP, the agricultural sector remains the true economic backbone. It provides the primary livelihood and employment for over half of the country's vast population and ensures the national food security. Next question, that is 134. When did the government present the Kisan Credit Card Scheme? The correct answer is August 1998. The option number B is the correct answer. The Kisan Credit Card Scheme, it was introduced by the Government of India on August 1998 based on the recommendation of Gupta Committee. Next, 135th question. When were the Kisan call centers established? The correct answer is option number D, that is January 2004. So to leverage the information communication technology for farmers, the Ministry of Agriculture has launched the Kisan call centers across the nation on 21st of January 2004, and this service answers agricultural queries in local dialect via toll-free telephone lines. Next, 136th question. In which state of India is the area of coffee maximum? And here the correct answer is option number C, that is Karnataka. Karnataka dominates the coffee production in India, accounting for over 70% of the country's total coffee cultivation area and output. Next question, that is 137th. Where is the headquarter of FAO, that is the Food and Agricultural Organization? It is a specialized agency of the United Nations leading internationally efforts to defeat the hunger. Here the correct answer is option number A, that is Rome. Next, 138th question. Which fruit crop has the largest area in India? The correct answer is option number C, that is mango. In terms of total land cultivation area, mango occupies the highest fruit acreage across India, while banana yields a higher total volumeric production tons due to its heavy fruit bunches, and banana and mango leads in raw physical acreage. Next, 139 question. Stomata opens at night in. The correct answer is option number C, that is camp plants. Next question, 140. So, chanchal is a variety of, and here the correct answer is option number C, that is chili. So, chanchal, it is a recognized commercial variety of chili. It features characteristics high yielding, pungent green, and bright red glossy fruits. Next question, 141. So, beetles belongs to the order of, correct answer is option number C, beetles, they belongs to the order of Coleoptera. Beetles, they comprise the largest biological insect groups in existence. Taxonomically, they are classified under the insect order, that is Coleoptera. Next, 142 question. The minimum support price for food grains was introduced in the year. It was introduced in the year, that is 1964. So, the policy structural model of minimum support price was first formally introduced for food grains in 1964 as an incentive mechanism during the onset of agricultural modernization, and it ensures the price stability and insulating farmers against market crashes. 143 question. Seeds that is changed every year is known as, here the correct answer is option number D, that is hybrid seeds. 144th question. So the first dwarf rice variety developed in India is, here the correct answer is option number B, that is Jaya. So Jaya, it was developed by Dr. Shastri at All India Coordinated Rice Improvement Project, and this variety of rice that is named as Jaya, it was released in the year 1968, and it outperformed the famous international dwarf strain, that is IR8, and thus it earned the historic title of the miracle rice of India. So Jaya, it is known as the miracle rice of India. Next question, that is SAARC Agricultural Center, that is SAC, it is based in which city? And here the answer is option B, that is Dhaka. This SAARC Agricultural Center, that is SAC, it was established as the first regional institutional specialized body under SAARC, and it has been fully operational since 1988, and it is headquartered in Dhaka, that is in Bangladesh. Next question, that is 146, that is tobacco has been classified as, the correct answer is option number A, it has been classified as cash crop. 147 question. So the word agro means, here the answer is option number C, that is field. The term agronomy, it is derived from two Greek words, that is agros, which means field, and nomos means to manage. Next question, 148. Poor man's meat is known as, and here the answer is soybean. Soybean, it is oftenly called as the poor man's meat because it contains an exceptionally high quality protein profile, that is around 40%. Next, question number 149. The Central Food Technological Research Institute, it is located at, the correct answer is option number B, that is Mysore. So the Central Food Technological Research Institute, it is a national laboratory under the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and it was officially opened on 21st of October 1950, and now it is located in Mysore. Next, 150 question. So the National Bureau on Plant Genetic Resource is located at, here the correct answer is option number C, that is New Delhi. So the ICAR's National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resource, it is the nodal national organization which is tasked with the management and dynamic conservation of plant genetic assets. And This was the end of today's session. For more such informative videos, stay connected to Agri Exam. And if you have liked this session, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel named Agri Exam. Thank you.